Suppose let's try how YouTube is automated. Okay, suppose if you want to play some song in YouTube, okay, you don't want to search it at all. So if you can just directly select your virtual assistant, it does it. So isn't it cool? Then we can do it in order. So if you see like in your Discord server also there is a rhythm or something. There are bots where you will just say play this particular song. It does. So how this actually works? How this actually works? So I'll teach you guys that one. So for that, so I'll put in another new again a new file. So this time I'll name it as Selenium YouTube. So again the same. Don't put it as Selenium or don't put it as, yeah, you can put it as YouTube. Yeah, it's up to you which name, but don't at all put it as Selenium. And after getting this, now using same command from Selenium, import, sorry, import WebDriver. Now let's say the class, I put the class as music. Okay, this time I want to listen some music or something, so I'll put the class as music. Now I'll define again the variable as in itself, and then self dot driver is equal to WebDriver dot Chrome, and then executable path, and the path is, let's copy it from here once again. Yeah, sorry. So after getting the path, now I'll define function called self comma. Okay, this time also you can give query or you can put anything, it's up to you. So I'm going to put query as a variable itself. Now self dot query equal to the query which you predefine. Now self dot driver dot get, so URL, so you need to open the particular URL, right? So for that, this one, then now again https www.youtube.com. Sorry, yeah, I'll, sorry if screen is not visible, then I'll just, yeah, sorry guys. So yeah, until here no problem, I am hoping. I think these all which pretty much I copied the same from Selenium one. So from here it will be changing. So yeah, from URL check it guys. From URL only the changes are coming. Lucky that I observed right now. So for that, youtube.com. So what happens actually if you open a YouTube one, suppose if I open this YouTube, suppose I search for some random, okay, yeah, suppose I search for random song or something. So here you can see the link. If you see the link, until search.query is one, and from anima, see, suppose this is the same which I already gave in the search box. So if you take any other, like any other link or any other search bar you do, until here the query, until the query is equal to, it will be same for any link or anything you search in YouTube. So what I do, I will copy the same link and I'll paste it here. Okay, so until query is equal to is the same, and then now it need to search for the query which I give. That means the with the command which I give. Okay, now after getting this, now the similarly xpath is equal to. So now what is xpath is, once you open it, wait, I'll open it again. Yeah. So once I open it, I want it to search about the uh, first video. So yeah, it's up to you which video one, but I want it to click on the first video automatically. So anywhere here you click, it opens it. So suppose I want to click on this, so I'll get to inspect. So after saying inspect, now I'll go to this. Okay, either you can search on this, or also you can search for this one on the title name. So that's better. Title name, it will have a smaller expert. It looks neat. So click on title name, then you'll get the HTML doc. Now copy this. Now copy this using right click and copy the XPath. Now paste it on your code. So now the XPath, we got the XPath also. So after getting the XPath, another variable called video, it is equal to self dot driver dot find element by XPath once again. And now the XPath, which the variable which we saved. So after a cursor goes on that XPath, now it need to click on it. So video dot click. So once it clicks, it automatically plays it. So let's see whether it works or not. So again, similarly, there I used assist. So now I'll use something called bot. So bot is equal to music, the class. The class is the music, and now bot dot play. And suppose I want to say play the same song, Animals by Maroon 5. Okay, I don't have a premium account of YouTube, so bear with me if any ads are coming, I'll close it immediately. So now I'll try to run this. So I'm not touching my cursor at all. It automatically search for that. Yeah, so it automatically clicks on it and it opens it. Got it? So that's how this YouTube one works using automation your YouTube. So now I want to add this code similar to the Wikipedia one. So again, go to up. So now I'll be using as from Selenium YouTube. So the file name, import the whole script. After importing it, now I will type elif play text and something called play or no online play online text is there. Okay, something like this there, like this is there. So to play this and play the both in online. So similar to the information one, we need to edit it. So for that, it will ask me speak what. Okay, what do you want me to play? So it asks me what do you want me to play, and then I'll tell it what it suppose. Okay, the title, I'll the name the variable as title or the song, whatever, it's up to you guys. So I'll name it as title. So the title is equal to take command function once again. So it takes the command, I mean whatever I'm telling, it reads it, and now once it read, it will self print playing that particular one which I told in YouTube. Now again the same format it to title. So that is print. So I'll just copy the same. I'll just make it to speak the same. Now let's copy it. Bot is equal to music, and again bot dot play, and now the title. So before you run this, make sure that you comment these both. So that's pretty much it for you online or like automating your YouTube also. So now let's test it. I'll try to test it.
Good evening.
Play online.
What do you want me to play?
Animals by Maroon 5.
Playing Animals by Maroon 5 in YouTube.
So yeah, it's opening, searching the same. Yeah,
आज
it's working fine.